Well, me can't tell you this. So if you never go to your daughter, won't even look for you.
Kerry, I lie you tell man. Remember me hot boy, you know? Talk the truth. Me say that I make a one prep one at a time, man.
Well, me did a prayer, yes. And you always smell good.
See it? Yeah, cause me a cha-cha boy. Be a cha-cha-ness me go on with. You see it? You make me almost stir fry.
Alright, so nobody get too cocky now.
How you talk about, Kerry? Nah, forget cocky. You know me done cocky already.
Lord God, when we gonna start here for? Robert, how Butcher and Marissa?
So me ask you something. What she really deal with? Like go on like she want style. She should help you deal with.
Butcher, let me tell you the truth. I should do everything. Schooling. She opened the bar for me. And I help me pay the rent.
Oh. Maybe that's why she move so you know, cause she do a lot. So she probably thinks she own, you know.
Not think. She move like she own me.
Why? That not sound right. Don't like people who go like they control people.
Well, from German pass, she just moved very big man.
Marissa, I know mother really like to help you. But I want to know it's by headspace there.
What do you mean, Butcher?
Because if you understand, say the woman they are Pree, darkness for them Sunday, you know.
Yeah, but how that affect you?
I tell you what affect me. That woman, yes, she have plan for we. Youth them from over 13. And she would have probably feel some involved.
So, did he involved?
No, you know. But you look like your mother-in-law feels so. Marissa, be that Pree you're deep. When I find out say you be able to follow that.
Pree me? For what?
You don't know. Tell you a thing, Marissa. Really don't wonder if you have Xpressionz too. Marissa.
Yeah?
You don't hear me?
Yeah, me hear you.
So, you don't answer me? I want to know if you have Xpressionz too.
No, Butcher. We know the German did bad man. Do you want to leave him before we get pregnant? Molly is a beat me.
Yeah, them supposed to good enough. But about 4 there now, I'm not giving them a link still.
Tell him to be careful, because me not too trust Marissa.
Yeah, but did I show him the same thing, you know? You think should I pray him?
Clarice will program her here, and that me afraid of.
So she don't have a mind of her own.
Not really. Clarice will take care of she and the baby.
I forgot chat to Butcher again, you know?
Don't tell him what to do. Just tell him keep an eye open.
Hello, Butcher for lower, you know?
You know, the truth is, the two of them look cute together. I'm just worried.
Me too, you know, babes. Because Butcher is like my brother.
I realize.
John, for real?
We used to complain to your mother, you know. But she always say, I must me do him something for provoking.
If you're a big pastor woman like that, Marissa, and she endorse them thing there.
Never angry she yet. I never want to stay with him in a Butcher. Get me pregnant just to keep.